presenting the GMC 2022 Sierra 1500 Limited AT4. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include preferred equipment Group 4 SP, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, 18x8.5 machined aluminum wheels, 20x9 machined aluminum, wheel locks, set of 4, LPO, perforated front leather seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar and not equipped with heated ventilated front seats. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.